feeling blessed to have interacted with NJY sir during a few meetings and discussions. It still inspires as if it was yesterday. The pure soul, the great leader, visionary. And whenever I share his stories, his life, the journey of ICFI through his books, and my experience with my students, I think that blessing still passes on. Hope we receive the same blessings throughout.
It is my privilege to speak about Professor Yasaswy, who is the founder of our ICFI group. And from what I've come to know about him, there are two qualities that stand out in my mind. Number one is his vision. He really made the MBA from a religious degree to a degree which is accessible to all. And that stands as a testimony to his wonderful vision that he had at that time. And the second is dynamism. The ICFI group, comprising of several universities and B schools today, is a testimony to the dynamic quality that he had as a person.
Professor N.J. Yasaswy, the visionary founder of the ICFI group, was a prolific writer. As a finance teacher, I am indebted to him. I teach the subjects of investments and personal finance, and I have referred to a number of books written by Yasaswy sir in the area of stock market investment, and I have also referred to the personal financial planning yearbook. The contribution that he has made towards the world of education in the field of finance and business management is exemplary, and I am indebted to him for life. Thank you.